Artist Assist app Grid tab allows you to draw a grid over a reference photo. The grid method allows you to redraw a reference photo to any size and preserves the proportions. The reference photo is divided into smaller sections using a grid. Draw a grid of the same dimension on your piece of paper. Focus on a particular section of the grid and carefully redraw what you see within it. Square grids of various sizes are supported. Square grids can be used when the photo and paper have different width to height ratios, but drawing square grids requires measuring and can be time-consuming. If the photo and paper have the same width to height ratios, you can easily draw a non-square 4x4 grid using diagonal lines. A non-square 3x3 grid can also be easily drawn using diagonal lines and helps to check your composition, the famous rule of thirds.